Good evening and welcome to yet another episode of Tech Talk presented by dormakaba. Today we are joined by Agam Shah, Principal Architect at HM Architects, known for his commitment to smart, sensible and sustainable architecture. His expertise in green building and energy efficiency, Agam aims to build better through his integrated design approach. Agam, can you tell me about one of your favorite projects that you have worked on and why is that project your favorite?
So one of my favorite project is Zydus Sitapur Hospital. Its client is Maruti Suzuki and it is being operated by Zydus. So two very big names in the industry and we got the chance to work with them. And the context of the hospital was such that it's located in Sitapur. It has a very rural context and generally those areas would not have very good healthcare facilities. And if you look at the hospital, it is like any other hospital in Ahmedabad. So the hospital, even though in a rural context, it meets all the corporate standards which Zydus would have. So that makes it very unique, and it's a green building certified project. So that's an add-on feature. So the debate which we have is inclusiveness and sustainability. So it takes care of everything, and hospital project is generally accessible. So because that's the most important criteria. So accessible for everybody, inclusive for all the communities living around that. So that's an interesting project.
Can you highlight a specific innovation or innovative use of technology that you have implemented in your project and that has changed the course of the project?
One thing which is not usually done in the industry is extensive simulation and analysis.
Okay.
So based on using various software to understand the performance before the building is being made. So for example, daylighting analysis or energy analysis, sun path diagram analysis. So when we do those analysis beforehand, the outcome is something which is very interesting, and before the building is made, you know how it is going to perform, so you can do the necessary course correction. So technology, it doesn't have to be construction technology, but it could be a virtual technology used very efficiently to create very good buildings.
How do you foresee the role of technology in the near future?
So I think technology is definitely going to improve the way architecture is perceived, or the way architecture will be eventually translated into actual buildings. So right from BIM modeling to analyzing various aspects of building to eventual construction management. So everywhere, you will have a very integrated approach, integrated design approach, integrated construction approach, integrated management approach. So for example, specifications of a lift or specification of a door product or anything else, if it can be integrated into a unified format, that would be very helpful. So for example, integrating glass and aluminum frame manufacturers and finding the effective performance of the window. So right now, what happens is, the individual performance of the glass, the performance of the frame, but when they come together, you don't know the performance. So, finding that a framework where everything can come together.
Okay. How was your experience working with dormakaba?
Overall, the experience has been very good working with them. They have a wide range of products. The kind of clientele that we have is generally very demanding. If we have one roof under which we can get all the diverse requirements, that's ideal for us. I have a vision, and somebody needs to step in and fulfill that vision. For architects, it becomes a nightmare to coordinate. This door doesn't work, this lock doesn't work, this access control system doesn't work. So having everything under one roof is definitely a big advantage, in that too an international standard and quality.
Thank you so much, Agam. This was lovely, and we had a heart-to-heart conversation with architect Agam, and he opened up to the best possible answers he could give. Stay tuned to this space and watch out more such candid conversation at Tech Talk. Thank you once again.